Last week on USD I have shared that if this pair breaks and retests this zone, it's gonna go down. So without any delay, let's start the video guys and show you how I did my analysis, and also I'm going to share my analysis on 5 major pairs. So watch this video till the end. So guys, let's jump to the chart and see how did I did my analysis. So welcome back guys. As you can see right here, USD has a very nice rally towards the downside, and in the last weekly analysis video we have seen that in daily this pair had a rejection near a support and resistance zone, as you can see right here. Now if we look left, we can see that this zone is multiple tested. This is the first test, this is the second test, and this is the third test, which satisfies our condition of a zone must be tested at least 3 times to make it a powerful zone. Now if we go to our 4-hour chart, and if we look, we can see in the last weekly analysis video I have shared that in 4 hours it is making a pin bar kind of pattern, and it has a good influence of going up. I also said that if this pair breaks this zone and retests this zone, I'm going to take a sell trade from here. And if we see right here, this pair has done exactly like that. It has gone down and retested this zone, and it has making a very nice spinning top kind of candle. But the main thing is here, I don't trade spinning top candle. I only trade engulfing double top, double bottom engulfing candles. So now if we go to 8-hour chart, we can see in 8 hour that there is a nice engulfing candle, as you can see right here, and I have used the pullback strategy here. As you can see right here, as the pullback strategy says that a pair must make a new lower low, and after that there should be at least 2 green candle pullback. There are more than 2, and after that it has to make a advanced candlestick pattern that we have talked about in that video. If you have not seen that video, I'm going to share that link. You can watch that video, and this is a very nice strategy. It has a very high winning rate. As you can see, I have got my engulfing candle in the 8th hour, so I have taken my trade from here, from this candle only. As you can see right here, if I place my tool right here, I have placed my trade from here, and my stop loss was just about the high of this candle, and my first target was this support and resistance zone. As we all know that our TP or take profit must be near a support and resistance zones for better accuracy. So as you can see right here, it has also broken this support and resistance zone, and I got a chance to have multiple targets. As you can see, multiple targets are best. We can see right here, with 0 top loss, I have got almost this much of profit. As you can see, this was a multiple target trade, and I have also shared my analysis on my Discord channel. As you can see right here, the last week I have shared my analysis, and if you are new here, you can join our Discord channel. The link will be given in the description below. You can join. It is a very active community, and I post all of my analysis there. So as you can see right here, we have got a very good trade, but the thing doesn't end here. I am a trader on 4 hour. So how did I got this trade? As you can see right here, I have used a strategy called candlestick addition. It is not a strategy, but it could be in your mind. As you can see, if we look at this candle, and if we add last 2 candles and these 2 candles, as you can see right here, let me zoom it up a little bit. If we add these 2 candles and these 2 candles, we are going to get a engulfing candle. So that is how I thought that this might be a good trade, and I confirmed this in the 8 hourly chart. As you can see right here, you can see that this was a very nice engulfing candle. So how does this work? I have some examples that I have drawn for you. You can see right here like this. So you can see right here, this 2 candle plus this candle equals to this candle. This is a candlestick addition. This example also, you can see this plus this candle is this. You can add any number of candles to get a pattern, but the pattern needs to be there. How can we check if the pattern is there or not? by taking the 2 times of that current time frame. As you can see, I was looking at 4 hour. As you can see right here, I was looking on 4 hour. But how did I confirm? I looked at 8 hour, which is 2 times of that time frame. So this is a very nice way of checking out if the pattern is there or not. But for using this kind of things, you need to have quite a practice of it. You need to spend more chart time, then you can identify these patterns and how it works. So guys, this is for the USD JPY trade. Now I'm going to share my analysis on 5 major pair. So without any delay, let's start our analysis for the next week. So guys, the first pair we're going to analyze is Euro USD. As you can see right here, Euro USD is a very nice uptrend, as you can see, and there are very big candles on its way, which is showing its strength. So now in the last daily candle, we can see right here that Euro dollar has got a very nice rejection from this zone. You can see right here, and if we look left, we can see that this zone has been tested multiple times. So as you can see right here, there are at least 3 tests. There are more tests in the left. And also, if we look, we can draw a fib level from this level to this level, and we can find that there is a 0.786 level also. So this is a very nice area to take a sell trade. Now let us look at 4-hour chart. In 4-hour chart, we can see that there is a nice divergence, which means weakening. This trend is weakening, and we also find that there are some nice red candles. So guys, I have already told you about the candlestick addition thing. So now if we go to 6-hour chart, we can see that there is a nice little engulfing candle. As you can see right here, there is a nice little engulfing candle, and you can take a trade on it to the downside to this level. As you can see, to this level there will be a nice trade. But guys, as I have told you, for beginners, you should take the twice the time frame of your analysis. If you are doing analysis on 4 hour, you should take at least 8 hour to test your addition. So as you can see right here, I am taking 6 hours, as I am pretty experienced in this thing, so I can take any time frame that I want. But for beginners, I suggest that if you are doing your analysis on 4 hour, take a chart of twice the time frame, which is 8 hour, or if you are doing in 1 hour, take 2 hour. So as I have told you, in 6 hour there is a nice little engulfing candle, and you can take a trade from here. But guys, listen, as we all know, this pair is in a uptrend, as we know, and we don't want to go against the trend. So it's better to wait. And take a trade down here of buy if we get an entry. The entry could be anything, a double bottom or an engulfing like this one, or an engulfing candle like this one. If we got an engulfing candle like this one in this area, I'll take a trade of buy. So guys, I'll suggest you that wait till this zone to take a trade, or you can take a trade right now of a sell to this zone, because this is a pretty nice candle. So guys, this is my analysis on Euro USD. So let us jump to the next pair. So the second pair is USD Swiss. As you can see, USD Swiss is in a very nice downtrend, as you can see right here. And if we look at the last daily candle, we see that there is a nice rejection in this candle. And if we look left, we can see that these zones are pretty well tested. As you can see right here, all these zones are pretty well tested in daily. And also, if we look carefully, we can draw a fib extension from this level to this level and back to this level, and we can find that this is a 1.618 fib level, and which makes it a very nice zone. So guys, as I have told you earlier, that if the pair is in a very nice downtrend, don't take trade against this trend. We're going with the trend, so we're going to take sell trades only, no buy trades. Now if we come to 4-hour chart, we can see that this pair is getting some rejections here, but as I have told you, I am not going to take any buy trades from here unless and until this pair breaks out of this zone and give me a retest at this level, and then I'm going to think about taking a buy trade from here if I got a valid entry. So let's talk about the sell trade. How can we take the sell trade? If this pair get up to this zone and give me some kind of engulfing candle or any type of pattern that I trade, then I'm going to take a sell trade from here, as you can see right here. And we can also find that if we take a fib from this level to this level, we can see that this zone is a 0.382 level. So we can take a sell trade from here, as I was telling you earlier that I'm going to take only sell trade. So this is a nice place to take a sell trade. As you can see, we'll get a nice risk to reward. We can see right here about stop loss of 30 pips and take profit of about 99 pips. We can get a very nice risk to reward here. So guys, keep an eye on this zone. If this pair come near this zone and give us some kind of entry, we're going to take the trade. Again guys, if you are new here, you can join our Discord community. I'm going to post all my ideas there also, so you can join it. The link will be given in the description below. So without any delay, let's get to the next pair. The next pair is Aussie dollar. As you can see, Aussie dollar is also in a very nice downtrend, and in the last weekly analysis video I have told you that this zone is very powerful zone and this pair will get a bounce from this zone, and we can see that this pair has got a very nice bounce from this zone, and we have also taken a trade on this pair that I have shared in my Discord. You can join my Discord, the link will be given in the description below and it's for free. So now this pair is reaching this zone. As you can see, this is also a very nice powerful zone. It has been tested multiple times. As you can see right here, this pair is reaching this zone, and if we also draw a fib level from here to here, we can see that there is a 0.382 level and 0.5 level which comes in this zone, about in this area. So this zone is very powerful to take sell trades, and as we can see the pair is also in a downtrend, so we can take sell trades also. So if we get a trade from here to here, this will be a very nice. So now let's look at 4-hour chart. As you can see, in 4 hour we can already see some weakness. First, in RSI there are some divergence, as you can see, which is showing some weakness in the upward move. Now secondly, if we draw trend lines like this, we can see that this pair is making some upward wedge kind of pattern, which is a weakening sign. And if this pattern move like this and give us a nice engulfing pattern or a double top, we are going to take a sell trade from here to this level. So guys, keep an eye on this level, as these levels are very powerful. You can take trades in this level, and if we take our risk to reward tool, we can also see that if we get a trade from here, we can see that we will get a very nice risk to reward ratio, as you can see right here. And if you are a beginner trader, I will say that you should trade near the support and resistance zone. As you can see, there is a nice support, as you can see, in this level. So this could be our first target and this could be our second target for safety. So guys, this is my analysis on Aussie dollar. Let us move to the next pair. The next pair is GBP USD. As we can see from the last week analysis video, as I have told that this pair is making a bull flag kind of pattern and it has making a breakout, but I have said that this pair might go again up and this could be a fake breakout. And as you can see right here, it has done exactly like that, and we have also taken a trade on this pair, and I have shared the information in the Discord. You can join, it's for free. So if we now look in this pair, so now if we look in this pair, we can see that this pair is going towards a new zone, and if we look nicely, we can see that there is also a trend line resistance. If we move to 4-hour chart, we can see that this pair is going up, as we can see right here, making a channel kind of thing. Let me draw it nicely. You can see right here, we can see, right? So now guys, if this pair makes this kind of thing, as you can see, and makes a double top or an engulfing pattern, I am going to take a sell trade from here. As you can see, the market is in a downtrend. We cannot specify its current trend, but we can say that it's in a downtrend, and I'm going to take only sell trades on it. I'm not going to take any buy trades. As you can see, there's very nice down movements, and as we all know, this is a very nice zone to take trade, and is also making a rising wedge kind of pattern. So it's better to take sell trades only. And if we also see that we'll get a very nice risk to reward from this level. As you can see, we can take buy trades also. How can we take buy trades? If this pair goes up and suddenly comes down and we don't get any kind of trades here, then I'm going to look for buy trades in this zone, because as I have said earlier, this is a multiple tested zone and it could be very nice place to take trades. So let's wait and see what happens. I'm going to inform you in the Discord what I'm going to do, so do join, it's for free. So without any delay, let's move to the next chart, and will be our last chart. So let's go. The last pair is USD/JPY. As we can see right here, USD/JPY is in a very nice downward move, and if we look at last daily candle, we can see that it got some rejection near this zone. And if we look left, we can see that these zones are multiple tested zones, and these are quite powerful. Now if we move to 4-hour, we can see that there are some small candles, which means rejections from this zone. But as you can see guys, that this pair is in a very nice downward movement, and as I have told you earlier, that in a downward movement pair, I am not going to take any buy trades, and neither I am going to take any sell trades in this pair. As you can see, the next zone is very close to its current price, so there could not be any trades, but we can wait for this pair to reach this zone and give me some kind of pattern to enter, and then we can take a sell trade from this level. So now we can also see that if we draw a Fibonacci level from here to here, we can see that there is a 0.236 level. So it gives us an influence that if this pair come to this level, then we're going to take a short trade. So guys, this is all for this video. Hope you like the video, and do subscribe to my channel. I come with this kind of analysis every week, and I'm also making some videos on how to analyze or how to make strategy also. I have shared many strategies, as you can find in my channel. So do subscribe and do like the video and share the video to your friends also, and do join our Discord community. The link will be given in the description. So see you next time guys. Thank you.